We have reviewed everything about you are all aware about the cyclone, which has already started last night, and it is going on till this moment where we're talking. So I would like to inform that from the government side, right from the state level till the district and even the sub-division level, we are fully prepared, and we have already shared the opinions, the suggestions made by all the district administration, the deputy commissioners, and even the police forces. And now I am happy to inform to all of you that as of today, we are fully prepared, and I'm very sure these challenges that we have till this moment, we will also be able to overcome it till tomorrow, because the prediction says that this cyclone will go on till tomorrow, sometimes maybe in the evening or daytime. So friends, I would like to inform all the citizens of the state that from the government side, we are fully prepared, be it financially, be it physically, be it whatever situation arises. We are ready, and we have instructed all the agencies, be it the government agencies, be it the NGOs, be it the stakeholders up to the village level, that they should cooperate and should also work closely with the government machinery, which is already, as I said to you, linked up to the village. This is what we have taken again during the meeting today, and we would like to inform and communicate to all the citizens of the state not to be panicky, but to also be in touch. Whatever eventuality happens, we are there, and the government is fully prepared for this. As of now, we don't say only a particular places or only a particular district, but in the state as a whole. In all the districts in the state, we are fully prepared